Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make this kind of paper airplane. I call it the Shadow, and I got some special gray paper over here that I'm going to use, but I think, A4 printer paper works just fine, if not better. So let's get started. Keep watching until the end of the video where I'll be flying them outside. Okay, so first we take this paper, we fold it in half lengthwise, like this. Then we open it up backwards. Then we take this corner, we fold it onto this crease in the middle. Make a little triangle like this. And then we take this corner and then fold it onto the crease as well, so both sides match. Alright, so now that we take this top corner, fold it all the way down so that this corner touches this crease in the middle. We open it back up, we fold this in. You may be thinking that this looks like the beginning of the all-famous dart plane. This is going to be different. Alright, so now you can see these little creases here. So you take this top and you fold them down from these little tips of the creases here onto the middle crease. Now you fold it outwards. Make sure both of the wings are nice and even. Now we make the wings. You can make them however big you want, but they both have to be the same size. Here's the plane. Let's test it out outside. If you like this video, please check out my channel, Aviation Corner. Bye!